In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add an account code in Xero step by step. Whether you're setting up your chart of accounts for the first time or simply adding a new expense, revenue, or asset account, this quick tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. Setting up account codes properly is essential for clean bookkeeping, accurate reporting, and staying compliant with tax requirements. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Now, let's jump straight into it. First, log into your Xero account and head to your main dashboard. From the top menu, click on Accounting. In the drop-down menu, select Chart of Accounts. This is where all of your financial accounts are stored, including assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. Once you're inside the Chart of Accounts screen, look toward the top of the page and click the Add Account button. Now you'll see a form where you can enter the details for your new account. Let's go through each field carefully so you understand what to enter. The first field is Account Type. Click the drop-down menu and choose the category that best fits the purpose of this account. For example, if you're tracking software subscriptions, you would typically choose Expense. If you're adding a sales category, you would choose Revenue. And if you're adding something like Equipment or a bank account, you would select Asset. Choosing the correct account type is very important because it determines how transactions flow into your financial reports. Next is the Code field. This is where you enter a unique account code. Xero allows up to 10 characters, and the code must not duplicate any existing account code in your chart. Many businesses follow a numbering system, such as 200 for revenue accounts or 400 for expense accounts, but you can use whatever structure works for your organization. Just make sure it's consistent and easy to understand. After that, move to the Name field. Here you'll enter a short, clear title for the account. For example, you might type software subscriptions, marketing expenses, or office equipment. Keep the name concise but descriptive enough that anyone reviewing your reports will immediately understand what the account is for. Next, select the tax rate. Click the drop-down and choose the default VAT or tax rate that should apply to transactions coded to this account. For example, if this is an expense account that usually includes VAT, you might select 20% VAT on expenses. Setting the correct default tax rate helps prevent errors when entering bills and invoices later. You'll also see an option that says Show on Dashboard Watchlist. If you tick this box, the account balance will appear on your Xero dashboard, allowing you to monitor it daily. This is useful for key accounts that you want to keep a close eye on, such as major expense categories or important revenue streams. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and reviewed everything for accuracy, click Save. Your new account code is now successfully added to your chart of accounts and ready to be used in transactions. And that's it. You've just learned how to add an account code in Xero quickly and correctly. Proper account setup makes reporting cleaner, improves financial visibility, and saves you time in the long run. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step Xero tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.